Okay, today let's talk about Obama. Obama is the president of America, and this guy, he seems like a very nice person, and he's very eloquent as well. But for me, Obama is worse than I think this president, the former president of United States, George W. Bush, or Bill Clinton. This guy doesn't seems to know what he's doing. He's fucking keeping mom. I don't know. I don't understand. This there is problems. Innocent people dying in Israel. The Palestinians. I don't know. He don't have a voice. He just seems to disappear. And look at this Ukraine problem as well. And all these crazy lunatics. They shut down that Malaysian airplane. And then on the other side, he's crazy about all this Hollywood lifestyle, trying to be nice, cool, famous, popular. And then on the other side, people are being kidnapped and then shot dead or whatever. Look at in Nigeria as well. And then he's doing nothing. What is wrong? The most powerful person in the whole wide world, and then he is just, you know, I don't know, he's hiding, yeah, I don't know. You know, his wife seems to do more good than his husband. I don't understand. Why are you disappearing? You have to raise your voice. You might think like, oh, come on, you know, it's not America, so let them sort their own problem. It's not like that. American, throughout history, they've been helping and fighting people, every time. But Obama, he's not good. He's worse than President Obama. He doesn't seem to know what he's doing. Maybe people told him what to do, what not to do. Hey, crazy, do something. People are dying.